In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomly shuffle Google Slides with ease. Whether you're looking to mix things up for a classroom game, organize flashcards, or for any creative project you might be working on, I'll guide you through a couple of methods to achieve this. To start off, let's take a look at the most straightforward technique, ideal for smaller slide decks. You can manually rearrange your slides by simply dragging and dropping them in your desired order. On the left side of your Google Slides workspace, you'll notice a vertical list displaying all your individual slides. By clicking and holding on a slide, you can move it up or down to a new position. Although this method is efficient for smaller presentations, it can become quite tedious if you're working with a larger number of slides. For those larger decks, we've got another convenient solution, using a free add-on like Slide Randomizer, available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. This add-on offers a quick and effective way to shuffle slides without the hassle of moving each one manually. First, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Slide Randomizer. Once you locate it, click on the Install button to add it to your Google Slides add-ons. Now that you've installed Slide Randomizer, it's time to run it. Navigate to the Extensions tab at the top of your Google Slides window. Here, you should find Slide Randomizer listed among your extensions. Click on it, then choose the option to start the shuffle process. The add-on will take care of the rest, instantly shuffling your slides into a completely random order for you. And there you have it. Whether you're preparing for a game, creating flashcards, or simply looking to add some fun to your presentation, these methods will leave your slides perfectly shuffled and ready to amaze your audience. This concludes our video on shuffling Google Slides. Remember, the manual method is perfect when you're dealing with a smaller deck and don't mind taking the time to shift slides around yourself. But for those larger or more frequently used decks, the Slide Randomizer add-on is a lifesaver, sparing you time and ensuring a neat randomization with just a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your creative endeavors. Until next time, happy presenting!